Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor, associate, as well as the professor vacancies notification from the three different colleges, guys. Out of these three, two are the universities and one is the state university affiliated college. And here with only post graduation, you may apply for this post, guys. Or else if you're having the PG plus UGC net or else the PhD also, no problem. So here the opportunities are there for the only PG plus UGC net as well as the PhD candidates. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of job vacancies. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the three universities or the college notifications, guys. And please give me one like to this video. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so here the first university is the Anurag University, guys. From this university, here I got a few vacancies notification. So here the careers is there, just click on that one, and then you will be directed to the online application form, guys. So online application form regarding the professor, associate, assistant professor, and the other vacancies also. Other vacancies means you can try for the non-teaching vacancies, just like the administrative staff, or else for the library staff, or else for the lab technician staff. Okay, so here select any one of the thing. Okay, and then select a school. That means here the departments are engineering, management, pharmacy, liberal arts, humanity and sciences, agriculture and sciences. So these are the different departments are there. So for example, in the humanities and sciences, what are the different subjects are there? If you want to know that one, first select humanities and sciences, and you may check down maths, physics, chemistry, English, psychology, and the statistics. Okay, so these are the different departments. And coming to the engineering, you may check down that chemical, computers, electrical, electronics. Okay, information technology, mechanical, construction, as well as the computer science and system engineering. And similarly, while coming to the pharmacy, okay, you can select that one. So these are the different subjects are there: pharmacology and the pharmaceutical analysis. Okay, and while coming to the management, so here finance, marketing, HR, management, as well as the strategy. And while coming to the liberal arts, you just click on that one: commerce, economics, journalism, Spanish, German, and French. And while coming to the agriculture and the sciences, here agronomy, generic and plant breeding, plant pathology, social science, okay, horticulture. These are the different subjects, guys. Okay, so if you are having only post graduation, then no problem, guys. Okay, what for just enter your name, your mobile number, your email ID, and just upload your CV and then click on the submit button. Okay, so whenever they are having the vacancies based upon their selection procedure, they will call you, guys. So it is one vacancy notification from the Anurag University. And the second one is DNYAN Ganga Education Trust. Okay, so Degree College of Arts, Commerce and Science, and Junior College of Science and Commerce. So I think it will be wonderful opportunity to you. Why? Because here they are providing the vacancies from the Junior College of Science and Commerce, guys. That means if you're having only the post graduation, then you may apply. So previous one also, if you're having only post graduation, then simply fill up these details and upload your resume. And here also the same thing, guys. So we will see what are the different subjects are there here. Applications are invited for the following post. I will little bit zoom, guys, for your clear visible purpose. Yeah. So applications are invited for the following post: degree college section, principal, education advisor, assistant professors, English, management, economics, commerce, IT, accountancy, business law, EVS, maths or statistics, physical education, geography, history, psychology, sociology, philosophy, political science, Marathi, Hindi. So these are the different vacancies from the assistant departments for the designation of assistant professor. But while coming to the librarian, master in library science, along with that one, net or set qualification must be there. And the qualifications and basically everything as per the UGC and the University of Mumbai rules. Okay, and while coming to the junior college section, teaching faculty are required for the English, physics, chemistry, biology, EVS, information technology, economics, commerce, Hindi, maths, computer science, psychology, geography, history. So here the qualification and pay scales as per the Government of Maharashtra rules. Okay, and administrative staff are also required here. So first one, accountant, clerk, IT technician, IT and the science lab assistants. Fine. So these are the different what we call vacancies for the different subjects in this college, guys. So if you are interested in this one, then you have to simply send your resume or the curriculum vitae or the CV, anything, biodata within 10 days. Okay, we got this notification just 2 days back. Okay, so you may send, still the time and the date is there. So within 10 days, career@dget college.edu.org. Sorry, it is not dot, it is dash. Okay, so career@dget college-edu.org. Fine. So it is a mail ID, guys. So to this mail ID, you have to send your resume. And while coming to the third one, it is IIHMR University, guys. So here the vacancies are there regarding the professor, development management, pharmaceutical management, and associate or assistant professor vacancies are there. Epidemiology, managerial economics, supply chain and logistics, management, data analytics, finance, health insurance, qualifications and experience, everything as per the UGC norms. Okay, and while coming to the remuneration, no bar for the deserving candidates. So you have to apply within 7 days, guys. And it is the official website of the HMR University. And if you want to, if you belongs to these departments and if you want to apply, there are two ways are there. One is simply sending your biodata to this provided mail ID, that is jobs@iihmr.edu.in, and the other one is you can simply apply through the website itself. Okay, I am suggesting you to do both the two things. That means apply through the official website as well as send the biodata to the provided mail ID also. So it is a simple application form, guys. Okay, so which post you are applying for. So first select that one, academics or the non-academics, and what is your for what position you are applying for. Select the assistant professor, and what is your specialization area. Okay, so if you are going for the managerial economics, just click on that one and then fill up all the remaining details. Okay, full name, date of birth, gender, email, mobile number, what is your post qualification, postgraduate qualification, higher education, what is your experience. Okay, research experience and any industry experience is there. Okay, so just fill up all these things and upload your biodata. Okay, and then click on the submit button. Fine. So these are all the three different types of universities, guys. One is IIHMR University, and second one is the Ganga Education Trust Degree College of Arts and the Junior College of Science and Commerce. So from this one, it is affiliated to University of Mumbai, guys. So here also vacancies are there. And the next one is Anurag University. Fine. Total these are the three universities from where we got the different vacancies notification. And if you belongs to other than this one, then please post your requirement in the comment section. Based upon your comment, I will come up with the next video, guys. Okay. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys.
Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month, 2,900, and for 3 months, 2,823, and for 6 months. Okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.